Hello guys, got another wonderful video for you guys and I know you're gonna love it. This is my first video in the year 2020 and in this video you're gonna learn how to repair Windows 10 operating system using just command prompt, aka CMD. I know most of you guys are familiar with CMD, but these codes, they are new and you're gonna love it. I'm going to walk you through the 7 steps on how to repair Windows 10 operating system with just the command prompt. If you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification button so as not to miss any of our videos ever again. So here we go. Now, suffice it to say, using the command prompt, you can use different kinds of codes, commands available to try to repair a corrupt or damaged operating system. No matter what kind of operating system, what your operating system is doing, no matter the manner it's behaving, this set of instructions and codes will help you resolve the issue as fast, quickly, and effectively as possible. This is what we're gonna talk about today. Okay guys, the first thing we're gonna talk about is, of course, the first step, which is opening your CMD. All you have to go to search, you type CMD, you open your command prompt, make sure you open it with administrator password, else it's not gonna work. You right click and click run administrator so that the command prompt opens on administrator privileges, else some of the codes will not work. Alright, this is step 2, and I want you to know, as a rule of thumb, the codes are not case sensitive, so it doesn't matter if you type it in capitals or small letters, it will always work. So the first code we are going to talk about is called the SFC code. What this code does is to scan the system and try to find all the corrupted files and sectors and attempt to replace and fix them automatically. You just type SFC space /scan now and hit enter and allow the system to do its processes. You understand? I know sometimes it might take a little bit of time, but it's totally worth it. Totally worth it, guys. You just have to allow the system to do its thing. Okay, just like I said, most of this thing will take a little bit of time, so it's totally worth it. And for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to be staying that long, so once the code starts, I have to cut it short. So the step 3 is called the dism code. So all you have to do is type dism space /online /space /clean up -image space /CheckHealth without the quotation marks. Now this command you use to check if there is any sort of corruption in the system. This command is used for checking if there is any sort of corruption in the system files. Note, if the command prompt wasn't opened with administrator privileges, this code will not work, regardless of the outcome of the scan. Just like this one says, no corrupted file found, you have to proceed to the next step. The step 4 is also a dism code, but this one is used to clean up and scan the health. So you have to type dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /ScanHealth. Now, what this code does is gonna do is to scan the system image for any sort of corruption and attempt to fix it automatically. This code does take a little bit of time, just like I said, but it's totally worth waiting for. Just be patient. Once it's completed, you can then move on to the step 5. If the message after completion states that no corruption was detected, then there is no need to proceed further. Otherwise, continue to step 5. Alright, step 5 is another kind of dism code, but this one is used to restore the health of the system. The code to type is dism /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth /source repairSource install.wim. This code just restores the health of your system. I know this is a bit of long, but not to worry. All the codes are available to you on the video description, so typing and following my voice sometimes in my message, just go to the video description. You'll see all the codes, so all you need to do is just copy and paste them into your command prompt. It is good to know that this code only fixes Windows image and corrupt sector issues. If there is a malware or virus in your system, these codes won't be able to fix it. After running the scan, you can run SFC scan on step 1 to make sure your system is fixed and no error is being detected again. That's just a fail-safe proof anyway. Alright, let's get to the step 6. This is a system restore code. This code can only be used if you set a system restore point before your system starts misbehaving. Most people don't set this. That is why when all fails, they're left with only 2 viable options: either to reinstall the operating system or to reset the operating system to factory settings. Well, if you stumbled upon this video, chances are you did not set your restore point. Then this step is not for you. So the next step is the only viable step for you to take. But if you did, then you are in luck. Here is how to restore your operating system to a restore point set by you before the system starts misbehaving. Note, if you don't have a restore point set, you will see a giant cross notifying you that there is no restore point set on your system. So to restore your system to previous perfect working condition, all you have to do is to type rstrui.exe. Follow the instructions and you will restore your system to a perfect working condition. Hey, note, if you did not set a restore point to your system before, this will not work. But in my own case, I've set a restore point, and I don't want to restore, so I'm just gonna cancel it and move over to the next step. Alright, step 7, and which is the last, but definitely not the least. This is the last resort to follow if the above codes prove futile. You use this to restore is to use the system reset. This is a system reset code. This code resets and cleans up your system. It's equivalent to restoring your PC to factory settings, though the system will allow you to choose only the personal settings to keep. All installed apps and data will be deleted except the ones that came with the operating system. Please note this. So we advise that before performing this scan, you need to back up all your files, else it will be lost. Yes, I know sometimes it claims it can still keep your files, but please and please and please back up your files first. The code to type is systemreset space hyphen cleanpc and hit enter. This process takes at least 30 minutes or longer, though it depends on how fast your system is. So if you're able to get to this final step, it means all the 6 steps above proved abortive. So this one will definitely get your system back and working. Hope this video helps you to resolve your system issues.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. And of course subscribe to the channel.